Gabriel Cousens emphasizes greens maybe more than you do. I was wondering what your response to that suggestion is.
Gabriel recommends what?
Actually, what the thing is that I like to eat a lot of greens. In the past, I haven't eaten as many fruits. And I was wondering, should I make an effort to change how I've been eating?
The question then is regarding greens, and if a person is advised to or particularly enjoys eating a lot of greens, is there going to be a problem? Is it better to make a shift in that? The answer, in the most concise way that I can get it across, of the total calories that you consume in a day, your body, by its very design, has to have, as an imperative need, 75 to 80% of those total calories comprising of carbohydrates. The vegetables not only can't provide sufficient total calories, but in addition to that, they cannot provide that percentage of carbohydrate in your diet. And if your body's not receiving that which it needs, those carbohydrates, it will send you off searching for food in order to secure that. And certainly, if that's the case, that one is trying to live off vegetable matter, your body will be sending you to search for calories and sending you to search for sugars. Now, where most people end up going when they're being driven to go and search for calories is that they go to the nuts and to the avocados and other such foods, which we know are high in fat. And as we've been talking about over these last 4 evenings, the primary directive here is to get that fat right pared down as far as we possibly can until it is at least under 10%. There are very few nuts that are offering that kind of nutritional profile. And of course, if people start feasting on avocados to find these calories, their fat intake absolutely rockets. Meanwhile, if they're not getting the carbohydrates they need in terms of fruit, the body will continually pester them, to put it a better way, to search for those carbohydrates, and they may well end up going to the starches. And they're getting bread cravings and cookie cravings and Dunkin' Donut cravings and pasta cravings. Whichever way you look at it, a diet based primarily on vegetables does not work for the human organism. Vegetables are necessary because they're so prolific in phytonutrients and vital minerals. We're not suggesting that people consume exclusively fruits, nothing else in their diet. We recognize wholeheartedly the importance of including vegetable matter, but the ratios in consumption need to be done correctly. A, if the raw diet attempt is to succeed for the individual in terms of adhering to it, and B, if the diet's going to serve the needs of the body. Fruit has to dominate in percentage of total calorie intake if those things are to succeed.